welcome to your newest home that invites luxury in the Madison, Alabama area. This beautiful home consists of 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and approximately 2,300 square feet. Let's go ahead and check this beauty out today. Thank you for taking a look at our beautiful home. If you're interested in seeing more in person, give me a call today, but my number will be right below.